Hi to everyone and a very good morning. Recently, one of my friends came to me and said, Francis, I have attempted to do so many things in my life, but quite often I failed to be successful in what I was attempting to do. Actually, when I begin with a great enthusiasm, but eventually it comes to an end with failure. And I was so disappointed, and now I've come to a point that I do not want to do anything. This is a problem commonly faced by most people in our generation. Many people have a great desire to be achievers, and people are always ambitious, wanting to be something or somebody, but often it turns to be negative, turns to be a failure. And so I asked him, how do you begin something, and what's your attitude towards what you are doing? When you do something, how do you look at what you are going to do? Often what happens with us is we begin to do things in a better way, but when we start doing things or plan to do things, on one side we will look for its possibilities and the success rate, I would say, but on the other side, most of us, we look into the negative aspects. Okay, for example, I'm going to write an examination. Oh, there are 12 lessons. I do not think that in 1 week I'll be able to cover it. Yet, my passion is I wanted to get some 80% of mark. But what is deep within me? My thinking at the bottom of my heart is there are 12 lessons. I think I may not be able to cover it. See, this is where the problem lies. I want to have a good result, but on the other side, deep within me, I have a negative outlook about what I am going to do. So that's a big stumbling block in our life. Often failure comes when there is negative thought. So the simple step you and I can take in our life to be successful is by having a positive attitude towards what we do. Sometimes when we attempt to do something, of course there can be a lot of obstacles, there can be things of impossibilities, but success of a person lays in where he starts to see possibilities in spite of all impossibilities. When things seeming to be impossible, a person who is able to see possibility, a person who is able to see certain possibilities in that impossibility, he will be the one finding success in his life. So, positive attitude towards what we do matters in our success. If we go to Bible, there is an instance where 12 people were being sent as spies to spy out a land called Canaan, which was promised by God to the people of Israel as a promised land. So it was Moses, the leader of the people of Israel, has sent these 12 people to spy out the land called Canaan. And among these 12, first 10 people, went and inspected the land, spied out well, walked to and fro, and they came up with a report saying that the land is so fertile, wonderful, everything is good on one side, and the other side, it is impossible to conquer the land because we have seen giants there. They are very stronger than us, they are mightier than us, they are very strategic people, and everything, every strength about their enemy were being spoken. And they failed to find the possibility within the impossibility. But on the other hand, there were two people called Joshua and Caleb. As they were spying out the land, they also saw the same thing. But their response, their outlook was entirely different. These two people came to Moses, the leader who sent them, and said, "Let us go at once and possess the land. We are going to conquer the land as our possession." See the difference. Because these two people have seen possibility within the impossibility, within that circumstance, they were able to see the possibility within the impossibility. Bible says these people conquered the land of Canaan and they possessed the land. Dear ones, as you listen to me today, you may be confronting different problems in your life today. You may be a person going out for a business deal, but you may have a suspicious thinking in you. But today let me challenge you, saying, have an optimistic thinking in you that as I go forward, I will be successful. You may be a person going to a village to work among them and see a holistic transformation, bringing spiritual and social transformation into them. So you may be going to a village where there is no better transportation, where there is no better communication facilities, where the people are illiterate, probably uncultured or whatsoever, uncivilized and stuff like that. Yet, if you could find a way of possibility there within, I tell you that you are going to be successful. You may be a person preparing for exam and going to appear exam. Go with a positive attitude towards your exam. You will have a good result. You may be a person facing a problem within your family. You may be a person confronting with relationship problems. Face it with a positive attitude and you are going to be the winner and you are going to be successful in your life, and you will see a great transformation and great change in your life, and you will be a successful person altogether in your life. And as the word of God says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Have a great confidence within you, and this positive confidence and positive attitude towards things that you are going to do will give you success. May God bless you all.